If you are wondering if you can use a power adapter that is not made by Samsung in order to charge Samsung Galaxy A27, then the answer is yes. For example, in my case, I use a power adapter made by Realme and it works just fine. So if you don't have a power adapter and you are considering buying one, then of course you don't really have to get a Samsung's power adapter specifically. You can use other brands as well. One thing that you can consider is of course the USB-C port on the charger, because then you can use the original cable in order to charge your phone. But if you already have a power adapter that also uses, let's say, maybe not also, but it uses USB-A to USB-C cable, or requires you to use such a cable, then it's going to work as well. For example, my Realme power adapter has USB-A port, so I have to use a USB cable that is USB-A to USB-C, but it still works and there is no problem with that whatsoever. So while the Samsung's charger is the recommended option for Samsung Galaxy A27, it is not necessary to get specifically Samsung charger after all. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.